Ugh. I really wish Storm was here. Fucking told him not to drink that water in Mexico. If only there was a way to bring him back.
Attention all Airsoft players, the next game should start in about 6 minutes. Again, 6 minutes. Also.
Mexico. Mexico had Aztecs. Aztec is from Mexico. Aztec starts with the letter A. A is the first letter in the alphabet. Alphabet's a type of soup. Soup is hot. Takis are hot. Storm likes Takis. Storm's logo is a demon. Demons can be summoned. Holy fuck, I got it.
Hey! Did you just say the fucking noodle word?
No, I
told you there's no fucking cussing at the airsoft field.
Oh shit, my bad.
Hey, what the fuck did I just tell you? Do it one more time. I fucking dare you.
Fuck.
Hey, get back here.
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin that boy. Egg on that collard green head that boy.
Okay, step 1. Put the summoner's offering onto the floor. Step 2. Put the summoner's gift for the demon on the floor. Easy enough. Alright, and lastly, step 3. Put one of the summoners and the demon's shared prized possessions onto the floor. Okay. Lastly, write the symbol of ruin onto the floor. Alright, this should work. Oh no.
He's nuts.
Oh god.
Fucking got him.
Fuck.
Hey, what the fuck did I say about cussing?
Sorry, I'm just kind of going through a lot right now. I don't think it worked. I want my money back. Do I still have a receipt for those Takis?
Hello, libtard.
I do the shit to the greatest role. Already got through the greatest goals. Met with a girl when I went back home. Ay. She put me in the group chat with that pussy. Talk to her, send emoji to the pussy. Then beat it up till I wanna go sue me.
Power button, power button, power button. Where is it? Where is it?
No, it's recording now. 3, 2, 1, sync. Power sync. Okay. Hey! Power sync.
Red Chonko, what do we got? Got it. Hey, dude.
Alright guys, so it's gonna be 4s and 4s. I'm gonna give you guys 4 respawns, that is 5 lives. Alright, semi-auto only guys.
If I'm aiming at you,
no man, take your Vans, opposite by a paintball
no.
field.
You want me to do something funny?
No, no, I'm just gonna be recording you with the zoom cam, but I'm not gonna shoot you.
Yeah, you're fine, don't worry about it.
Okay. Shoot him? Shoot him. Fucking shit. Oh, shit, that's right. So I got a concussion from hitting myself in the head there. Oh no, don't shoot him.
His leg is broken.
Oh, okay, never mind, you can shoot him.
Gotta put him down once the leg's broke.
Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, boy, you can't stand it.
Oh, do you want to go on the ride with me?
Is my GoPro recording, guys?
Is there a light that we can look at?
It should be in the bottom, right or left.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, let me try.
You need to make more airsoft videos.
No, man. I'm trying. This fucker's giving me a hard time.
6 foot. This be like. Alright. There's like 2 guys right there.
Where? Where is there? Whoa!
The guy that just shot at you.
You get him, Tiger.
Hit! Ow, my fucking head.
Oh, man.
Ow. What a true one.
I got you, man. I'll avenge you. I tried venting you, but it didn't work. Oh, I'm out of ammo. That's why I didn't get him. So fast? You bulling out here?
Yeah, I'm bulling out here, dude.
You're
Yeah, I'm fucking bulling.
Oh wow. Oh my god, really?
I hate when that happens.
Fast enough, the bullets can't hit you.
I know. Thing is, I'm not fast enough. Yeah. Teammate went down right here. Huh? I don't know if I should move up. I forgot he was right there. Didn't even go off. Let's see, where's that grenade at? Yeah, so the grenade fell under here. See if I could get it. I know. I'm not so much afraid of the spiders, I'm afraid of a sea bear coming out and biting my ass. Question, is there a stick around here besides these little twigs? I don't think that'll reach. Hopefully it'll work.
Randy said
Tell Storm the what?
I told Randy, I said I was helping you get me a grenade from under this crate. I need to tell Storm to get his own shit.
Oh, f that, Randy. Hey, got him. All right, we think we didn't put gas in it, but we're gonna try it anyways.
Fucked it up, but
Yeah.
Storm just doesn't know what he's doing.
I know what I'm doing. I'm a YouTuber, okay?
Oh, that's true. Go, Storm.
That was
Fucking.
it popped, right?
No.
It tried to pop. Yeah, this thing's hard. That too.
These are fucking raw. Oh! My ear was on that face, dude.
Happy thoughts, Storm. Happy thoughts. Just happy thoughts. Sam! I'm scared! Oh shit, here we go. Ah, fuck! Ah!
The Juggernaut is now disabled.
You're good, I'm disabled, dude. And we're taking a look at the instant replay here to see how this poor bastard got annihilated, and oh my god, he got shot right in the titty. Oh, you got me. Gizmo, I'm gonna eat your ass. Ah, shit. Nice one, dude. Oh, fuck. No, you're good. You're supposed to shoot me. If I scream, if I cry, don't worry about it. Oh, you got me. Oh, I'm getting shut the fuck up. Alright.
Juggernaut is now on no bad. Deck players, let them out, deck players.
You got me.
Juggernaut is now on no bad.
Ah, shut up. Alright.
when you live independent. Rent is too damn high for my pension. Rock the lottery, the way it just rubs off. Opposite of Jimmy McMillan, I take the gloves off. 60 shots, waiting for the beatbox. I'm throwing down harder than the dude who beat rock. I'm more able
Bang, bang.
to still murderous. On the beat, at least I'm blatantly encouraging. Living like a rebel, all intents and purposes.
That would have been bad.
I know you're on a special team to just
Can we just tag you or?
Yeah, you're good.
Right.
You got me. Still like up. Oh shit. Nice one, dude. Nice save. Hey man, how's it going? What's your name?
David.
David? Storm. What are you doing?
Putting hex patches all over you, man.
Oh.
Got a gift.
Oh, dude. Supreme leader.
Yes.
I got a gift for you too, man. There you go. It's a patch. Just don't open it here. It's for fans only.
Okay.
So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Also, since you don't play Attack or Wildlands anymore, here's a reason.
Oh, that'll work. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. You're a lot taller in real life.
Yeah, that's what some people told me.
Do you mind signing my helmet?
Yeah, of course. Come on, work. Matt, I mean, oh my god, it's not working. Shit, it's not working. Work, damn it. Breathe.
There you go, I got you.
Oh,
it worked.
shoot, what am I doing? It's just my name.
I followed all three of them. I'm better than you. What are we doing?
You managed to do the unthinkable. You managed to fuck up loss. Just one line on the side, two on the other, two right beneath the first one on the next one, and another one laying down right beneath it. And you managed to fuck it up. You fuck.
Anybody watch YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
I watch YouTube. Who said that? Anybody play Airsoft? I play Airsoft.
I don't.
Dude, that's so me.
Storm, I need help. My pistol's something wrong with it. Daniel.
Probably have to put what is it, silicone oil?
Yeah, some oil. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Just squirt a bunch of oil in it. I tried to go to Jet and I told him to see if he could give me a replacement. He said, "Nah, fam."
I need to ask you a question.
That's a thing.
Did you sign this pen with this pen?
Here you go, dude. What's that?
T-pose or A-pose? Which would you prefer?
T-pose. It's more dominant.
So yeah, we're all planning on it.
Is this your vector?
Yeah, forget that gun. This
is like me.
This is the stuff right here, man.
This
weapon just with past Metal Gear.
Doesn't have any rattle or anything, dude. Like,
And the magazine fits in perfectly.
Hey, man. I don't know what happened. What the heck was that, man? I'm so sorry. All right.
Will you sign that for me?
Yeah, of course. Anywhere?
You can put it to Miguel.
Oh, to Miguel?
Yeah, M-I-G-U-E-O.
There we go. Cool. Awesome.
He wants me to take a picture.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the cool mom.
Yeah.
When are you making a new video?
What's that?
When are you making a new video?
Hopefully next week.
Oh, okay, sweet. I've been waiting forever.
Yeah, sorry. No, there we go. Hey man, nice to meet you.
Charlie Bravo, good to meet you, man. All right, bring it in.
Hey, can I take a pic? Oh wait, I keep forgetting he's recording. That'll do. Yeah.
Get out here. Let's see your video. Super awesome to meet you. Inspirational video.
Yeah, thank you. I need water. Slide, damn it. It's not working. Damn it, it didn't work. What's up, dude? Okay, we're out here right now. Oh man, I hope I see you out here. Right now there's a bunch of Siege characters breakdancing in front of me. So that's lit.
Can you sign this?
Yeah, of course. Moose. I'm sorry, next time I'm not gonna bring the gun.
No, it's fine. I feel special. Storm, do you want this? How much do you want for an upper and lower receiver for an M4?
Right now, I don't have an M4, dude. All I have is the Vector. Here we go.
Man's just walking away with your Vector.
Oh, I guess I don't have anything now.
Oh, well, you can start with the upper and lower receiver first.
There we go. We're gonna go.
I will steal it if you can.
Here,
I might burn your patch though.